Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this garden hose from Yamatic. So what we have here is a 75-foot heavy-duty garden hose from Yamatic, and I do want to thank Yamatic for actually gifting this to me. So it is black and red, and what's interesting about this hose is that you could actually just act by itself, and it could actually act or connect to a pressure washer or anything that requires like heavy machinery or hosing power or water pressure. And so it's a heavy duty hose compared to other hoses that I've used before. 75 feet is definitely going to be a good length if you're just using it for home use. For industrial or commercial use, I've seen people use this as well, and it's been perfectly fine for them. So anything that I look for a hose, I'm making sure that it's able to coil up just like this, and also be able to be unkinkable, which means that as far as bending the hose goes, the water pressure isn't going to stop. But if you're looking for a garden hose just like this or heavy duty hose, definitely check this out. I've had no problems with it whatsoever.